split mung beans, tomato stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the dinner recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes and one of the most delicious of the beans recipes and one of the most tastiest of the tomato recipes and one of the most unique of the breakfast recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the soup recipes and one of the most delicious of the mung beans recipes and one of the most different of the mung dal recipes. Today we're going to make split mung beans tomato stew. The ingredients are 100 grams of split mung beans soaked in water for half an hour, 1 onion cut into pieces, 1 green chili, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, and 3 tomatoes cut into pieces, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, half of a lemon. Heat the pan, pour 5 ml oil, let the oil get heated. Put in the onion pieces. Salt, turmeric, keep on sauteing. Thoroughly saute and mix. Now put in the fennel seeds. Mix the fennel seeds with the onions and salt. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly saute and mix. Saute and mix thoroughly. Saute. Now put in the ginger. salt, garlic, salt is needed to the rest of the mixture. Keep on sauteing. Now put in the garlic, salt, the garlic, put in the ginger, put in the green chili, salt, and mix that in. Now put in the tomato pieces. Put in salt taste. Put in lemon juice. Salt. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly salt the tomatoes to the rest of the mixture. Salt and mix thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly saute and mix. In between, crush the tomatoes. Salt and mix that in. Now put in the split mung beans. Mix. Thoroughly mix. 200 to 250 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture cook in a pressure cooker for 15 minutes. Now the split mung beans tomato stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final split mung beans tomato stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the beans recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato recipes and one of the most delicious of the stew recipes and one of the most different of the mung beans recipes and one of the most unique of the mung dal recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.